over kind of what's happening next week, make sure we're all on the same page. So I would assume that you have heard, but next week we have 3 Canvas days, right? We know this? Okay. So Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, you're going to have some stuff to work on. I'm going to lump Monday and Tuesday together. So when you get Monday's assignment, you'll see Monday and Tuesday. And then Thursday, I'll do something different. What we're going to do while you're here on Wednesday and Friday is sort of just some fun culture-y stuff. So the main thing you're going to be working on next week is vocab, which we're going to do in a Nearpod and Quizlet. So that's kind of the thing in the background that I want you to be most working on and spending your time on. Malia, question?
When is the crossword due?
Oh, yeah, that's part of your assignment on Monday.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, and actually, you guys, if you want a hard copy of the crossword, remind me before you leave today, and I'll get it to you. Actually, there's one on Monday. Oh. Yeah. So, and actually, I have another culture paper too. So, if you guys could try real hard not to forget, I'll try not to forget to do these 2 things before you leave. Okay. Thanks for saying that, Malia. I wanted to remember to give it to them. Okay, so that's kind of where we're headed. And then if you are an 11th grader, which I know some of you are coming in for iStep on Tuesday and Thursday. And if you are a 12th grader, it is possible that you are also coming in if you needed to retest. So that's kind of why we have such a weird week. So everybody kind of has the gist of what's going to happen. Okay, muy bien. All right, so let's see. Vamos a empezar hoy con Zoom Blink. Let's do our quick share y después vamos a continuar con un Nearpod. Anybody feeling like sharing today? Got just a little tiny class today. There we are. There's 3 of us. Anybody want to share? My choice? No. Okay. How about Chris? I think you're there, right? Chris, want to share? Tell us some interesting things about you, Chris. What's one interesting thing?
I like eating Mexican food.
All right. Mexican food. Who loves Mexican food? I got one. Only one, Destiny? No, just the one out here. I love Mexican food. Love it. Right there. Right there. Always enjoy it. It's interesting. It's kind of funny in my family. So, there's kind of like Mexican food, like there's American Mexican food, and then there's Mexican food. I like both, but it's interesting, like how they're different. You know what I'm saying? And my husband's real funny. He doesn't like corn tortillas. So I have to be careful with where I take him. I mean, he'll eat them, but he doesn't really like them. So that seems more like Mexican food. All right, Chris, ¿qué más?
I like watching anime.
Anime. Anime. Anybody out here? No anime in class. How about online? Oh yeah, there's some blinking. Put up some reactions. Good. Oh yeah, gotta keep it there. Okay. Algo más? Anything else you feel like sharing? One more
My
thing?
favorite color is
I think I lost you for a minute. I heard my favorite color.
blue.
Blue.
My favorite color is
Who likes blue? Blue? Tough crowd in here. Anne's giving you a más o menos. How about blue? Blue, I like blue. I'm in blue. Blue. I always forget I get this too. My little reaction. Blue. There it is. All right. Gracias, Chris. Mexican food, anime, and blue. Like it. Okay. So, vamos a continuar con un Nearpod. Vamos a hacer juntos. So here's what I need you to do. I need you to go to your current lesson and click on this Nearpod link under number 1. And I will meet you there. Okay, it should get you there. I'm going to go open it up. Anybody there yet? Is it there? Did you put your name in? Okay. I will see you in just a second. I'm not going to go until I get everybody in. Hoping this is you. Let's see. Is there anyone there? Oh, I don't know. I feel like it just started a new one. Oh, no, you're there. I see Destiny. I see Anna. I see Alex. I see Jackie, Evelyn, and Derek. If I don't see you yet, get there. I will not start till I have everybody there. So, rápido, por favor. This is kind of some vocab, and then it's got some subjunctive on it too. So if you're not super comfortable with your vocab, then feel free to saquen el vocabulario. All right, still waiting on some people. I have 11, I think. Let's see how many I should have. 1, 2, 3.
What's the code?
There shouldn't be a code. I think if you just click on the it's a Nearpod link under my current lesson. It should just take you right there. All right, here's who I currently have. I have Destiny, Anna, Alex, Jackie, Evelyn, Derek, Chris, Susie, Caleb, Claire, and Brian. If you're not there yet, get there. I'm gonna start figuring out who I'm missing. I got the Evelyn. Oh, I got Gabby now. Malia, are you there? Not yet. Are you working on it? Okay. Derek, Brian, Jayla? Jayla, you there? I don't think I got Jayla.
I'm loading.
Okay. So I think you're my two that I'm waiting for. I just want to make sure everybody gets on. All right, I got Malia. Jayla, let me know. I think that's it. All right, vamos a empezar. Gracias. All right. Use the subjunctive. Malia, what's one?
Isn't it doubt or emotion?
There's got to be doubt or emotion. So there was in all those. Okay, I didn't make you have to decide. There was doubt or emotion. Alex? The word K. Okay, so I had K in all those. And what's the last thing? Doubt or emotion, K. Derek?
A subject change.
Yeah, two subjects. All right, so when I pull these up for you, which I'll show them to you right now, I'll go ahead and get them up and share them. All right, let me pop it over there so everybody can see it. So it's in here. All right, so I know they don't really give you your correct answers, right? So you got to kind of compare and contrast. All right, let me screen share it. All right, I think everybody can see them. So you just have to kind of compare what I have there to what you have. All right, so let's look at these. So you'll notice number 1, number 5 are in the to form. So that means your subjunctive verb has to end in S, right? So you were looking for opposite ending plus S, and then you had to look at what makes sense. Okay, so I kind of did a little of both, right? Number 1, it's necessary you stretch. And number 5, I hope that you sleep. All right, then if you look at 2 was in the nosotros form and 7 was in the nosotros form. So you had vayamos, right? They prefer that we go. And then number 7, she wants us to eat healthy food. And then the ones that were left, so let's see, that would be 3, 4, and 6 were all in the ellos form. And then you had to look at your context. So 3, I want my parents to give me advice. And then number 4, it's important that young people know drinking water is good. And then number 6, it's important that they do their homework. All right, so a bunch of irregulars there. Anybody have a question on one? If you missed one, as long as you understand it, that's fine. Anything there you want me to go over? Okay, vamos a continuar. I think we're gonna move on to some vocab now. So let me